Always spray the bottom of your pressure cooker. I used a little coconut oil spray. I tried this CJ Korean barbecue bulgogi marinade. Got the recipe online. And then went to Dollar Tree, used apples, pears, mandarin oranges, garlic molasses, and I use low sodium soy sauce. Spread it out a little. Trimmed chicken thighs, skin side down. And then some skinless, rest of the package. Trimmed chicken thighs. Rest of the bulgogi marinade. And then coat the thighs. Bulgogi chicken thighs. Love the pressure cooker. You push a button and when you come home, dinner's ready. Looking good.